Presenting the Sony WH-1000 wireless headphones with built-in Alexa. This headphone comes with built-in microphone, enabling you to take calls easily while on the go. Enjoy your music without distraction with digital noise cancelling provided by the QN1 HD processor that effectively blocks out vehicle noise while traveling, voices and other background sounds. The noise-cancelling optimizer automatically adjusts to your surrounding and lets you escape the sounds of the city. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it gives you 30 hours of battery life. You will have enough power even for long trips away. With the quick charge feature, you get 5 hours of playback time on 10 minutes of charge. The super soft, pressure-relieving foam urethane ear pads provide a stable and comfortable fit for all-day use. The ear cups swivel inwards to fit into a compact case and come with a cable for pleasant in-flight entertainment. The headphones come with support Bluetooth as well as LDAC connectivity. LDAC transmits data 3 times faster than Bluetooth, allowing you to enjoy crisp, high-resolution audio. The 1.57-inch drivers with liquid crystal polymer diaphragms seamlessly handles heavy beats with low distortion and delivers an immersive experience. Touch sensors allow you to change the track, turn the volume up or down, and take or make calls by tapping or swiping the panel with your fingertip. The headphones come with built-in Alexa and is also compatible with Google Assistant. The headphones are available in black and silver. The headphones come with USB cable, 3.5mm aux cable, in-flight adapter, carrying case, reference guide, operating instruction and instruction manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.